today's topic is asking about the future. So not only going to is decided plans. We have other sentences for not completely decided plans too. So let's start this topic with the warm-up question on page 82. So Masahi, can you ask Shinji the warm-up question on 82?
What do you plan to do to improve your English after the course finishes?
So let's check the language at the back on page 109. So, Koki, you can start with Shion with that question.
Mr. Shion, do you want to go to lunch tomorrow?
Oh, that sounds good. Where shall we meet?
What movie do you like, Shion?
I like science fiction movies, such as Star Wars and Back to the Future.
Mr. Shion, what do you do in the evening?
I usually listen to the radio program.
Yes, please. I'll have steaks and Caesar salad and Coke, please.
Okay, steak, Caesar salad, and a Coke. All right, how would you like your steak?
Medium.
Okay. Here you are, Caesar salad, Coke, and well done steak.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I ordered medium steak.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah. I wrote well done here.
Um,
Medium?
Yes.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I'll take care of it right away. Okay, 15 minutes later, 20 minutes later, no waiter.
Excuse me.
Yes.
My order is coming.
My order hasn't.
Hasn't come yet.
Oh, really? What did you order?
Medium steak.
Medium steak. Oh, okay, sorry. I'll get it right away. Here you go, medium steak.
Thank you so much.
All right.